In this video, I show you how to download and install apps on your Fire Stick TV. If you found this guide useful, then please consider subscribing, and once you've done that, then please consider leaving a like, and let's get right into this guide. Here we are on my Fire Stick, so you probably want to go and download more apps so you can go and stream more different shows from different platforms. There are two different ways you can do this, but both of these methods are going to require you to be on the home page. So go onto your Fire Stick TV remote and just go and tap on the home button like so, and you'll be brought here. Then what you need to do is go across to the magnification glass, like this, the find or search button just here. So use the arrows and just go across, and then you can go to the App Store where you can go and find apps to download. Another way you can get to the App Store is by going back up to this sort of middle row here, and then going all the way across like so to this icon here, sort of 3 squares and a plus button, and then press a down arrow. And then what you can do is go to the App Store here as well. So then go and press OK like so. Then it would take a moment for the App Store to load, and as you can see, there's quite a few here. So what you can do is just navigate the App Store with the arrows. So yeah, scroll down until you go and see the app you'd like. You can also just go and scroll across to search here as well. If there's a specific app you'd like Spotify or something like that, you go and search for. Or you can go and look at your app library. These are your current ones, but you probably look at featured, you've got games, and just all categories as well. So in this case, I might go and download the Crossy Road app. So I'll just go and click on that there like so. So go and click on it like this, and then it'll take a moment. And as you can see, it then says get and free to download. So literally just go and press on the select button like so. And as you can see, it's now processing and it's queued and it's now downloading. And it says you've got an app. So I can then go and press OK like so. Once it's finished downloading, the download button will then say open, so you could then go and just press select on your remote and it will then open. However, I want to show you how you can open up apps in the future as well. So let's go back to your home screen, just like so, tap the home button, and then from your home, all you need to do is go across like so on that middle bar until you go and get to this button here. And then as you can see, there is Crossy Road, which I just downloaded, so I could then go and get to it. Or alternatively, you can just go and press on App Library on your remote here, and you'll also be taken to this page, and we can then go to Crossy Road, and we can then go and press OK. And as you can see, the game is now opening, and I can now go and play it, guys.